In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix visual voicemail not currently available on your iPhone. So the first step is go to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down and all the way down you will see the apps option. Tap on apps. After you're there, you'll need to find phone. So just go to the P section and tap on phones. So after you tap on phones, just scroll down. After you scroll down, you will see under Wi-Fi calling. Just tap on it and make sure that you've turned on Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone. So after you've done that, go back and tap on call forwarding and you'll need to turn this on too. So just turn this on, and after doing that, just set up your call forwarding. And after doing that, on the bottom you'll see right above silence unknown callers, you will see a setting called live voicemail. So you'll need to tap on that and turn it on. So after doing that, your settings is done, and after doing that you need to try to use your visual voicemail. So if that does not fix your problem, go back to your settings, and after you're on your settings, go to general, and after there just scroll down all the way, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset and reset all settings, and after doing that your problem will get fixed. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you fix visual voicemail not being available on your iPhone. And that is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.